Hello. So our today's question is, a solid sphere is in a rolling motion. In rolling motion, a body possesses translational kinetic energy kT as well as rotational kinetic energy kr simultaneously. So the ratio of kT with kT plus kr for the sphere is, so we already know the kinetic energy is half mv square. So here we have the kT. Now for kT plus kr, we have the translation energy as well as the rotational kinetic energy. If we add both of them, we already know that omega is here, which is 2 by 5 mr square into v by r square. So from here we know that the value of kT plus kr equals to 7 by 10 mv square. So if we take the ratio of kT upon kT plus kr, we'll get a 5 by 7. So our answer is third part. Thank you.